Hey folks, what's up? A lot of you have been asking what ended up happening with that company that messed up the clutch installation. So, here's the update. The company admitted their mistake and covered the cost of the repairs, paid out $3,500. The driver didn't have to pay out of pocket. All the parts we removed from the truck are now loaded back in, and the driver's heading over to the original shop in Virginia to return them and close the loop. Now, my personal take on all this. Working like that with handwritten notes and no part numbers is straight up Stone Age. That's not how you run a serious operation. Let me show you how we do things in our shop. You all asked how much this kind of job would cost if we did it. And here it is. We've got a detailed list of parts that were actually replaced. And yeah, it's very different from the one they gave. Look at the number of items. Every part has a number, so the client can call the dealer and confirm the prices themselves. And they'll be pleasantly surprised, because we pass our shop discounts on to the customer. Total cost, $6,986. That includes proper work. Done right takes about 11 hours. Done by one guy. You can use two if you want to speed things up, but we prefer one solid tech who knows what he's doing. We pulled the transmission, replaced the rear main seal, replaced the flywheel. It should not be resurfaced. Some shops still do that, but it's wrong. Serviced the transmission and swapped out a ton of parts. You'll see from the paperwork how much was actually done. At a dealership, this would probably run you around 10 grand easy. So if you're looking for a shop that knows trucks and does things right the first time without wasting your time, you know where to find us. That's it for now. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.